You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, originally from Greek. It's also a word used in biblical Greek, so in the Bible. The meaning? Life. How do you pronounce it? In Greek, it's pronounced as ZOE. Yes, I know in English this name is often pronounced as ZOE, but originally it's pronounced ZOE. This is why many also pronounce it as ZOE, not ZOE. How do you pronounce your name? ZOE, ZOE? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.